Looking to start investing in stocks but not sure where to begin? Here's a quick guide on how to buy stocks and get started on your investment journey. Stocks trade on stock exchanges, but as an individual investor, you can work with a broker that executes trades on your behalf. Many retail investors have accounts with online brokerage firms where they can buy and sell stocks at any time during market hours. The first decision you'll have to make when buying stocks is which broker to use. Look for brokerages that offer low or zero fees for trading and account maintenance. Once you've chosen a brokerage firm, it's time to start researching the stocks you want to buy. There are many different types of stocks to choose from, including common stock, preferred stock, different classes of stocks, and fractional shares. When purchasing your stock, you may encounter some unfamiliar jargon. It's important to understand the different orders you can place when purchasing a stock, such as market orders, limit orders, stop orders, and stop limit orders. Remember, investing is a long-term game. While buying your first stock is a major feat, investing continuously over many years will help you build wealth.